everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So we're having to play MacGyver here. You know, we're in uncharted territory here. We're doing Rainbird's drip irrigation, but I wanted to give you an example of how it's done right. Number one, these trees are very old and they have root systems. We didn't want to dig into the root system, so we put it on top of the ground. We're going to bring soil back and put about 1 inch of soil, then we're going to put a ground cover on top. Over here, all this we're keeping away from the trunk of the tree. So you see how we bent it. Now over here we've added the QF header. In the old days, we would actually have to build this out of PVC, a lot of glue, but Rainbird makes this. It's called QF header. It's just the bomb. And we did put the valves underneath the ground. That's where the filters are, the pressure regulators, and then there's something called an ARV. It's an air relief valve. We put it at the highest point. It's right over here. Right here. So what this does is when the system turns on, this lifts up and lets all the air out. Because if you didn't let the air out, the holes are so tiny in the drip irrigation that for a second, the system would go like a big balloon, go pop. And if you do that a lot, pop, pop, pop over days and months and years, eventually the system would wear down very quickly and all the joints would come loose. So that's little, probably $5 part, $8 part, but it will ensure that the system will last virtually indefinitely. So those are just the ideas, some ideas. So we see it, it's on top of the ground, we staple it down, and then we're gonna put a ground cover on top. Mike with Enviroscape LA, look for us for more solutions with drip irrigation. Take care.